We are at Waimea Falls. We just drove past the Waimea Bay where I've seen like the craziest surf ever, and it was flat as a tack. What did you see?
A peacock which my mom, my nanny and my rooster. It's a rooster too.
Really?
I think so. Yeah. What is that?
Whoa, wait, hang on.
Hi guys, what is that?
Waimea.
Waterfall. To the waterfall. And I think we're gonna have a pretty fun time. I saw a peacock and a chicken. And it was pretty cool. Not a chicken. And we saw a Hawaiian. And we're just having a snack.
Addie?
Addie!
Can you go get him, please?
Aloha! Aloha!
Beautiful.
You need to talk really big voice?
Hi guys.
Okay.
I don't feel like I'm Poncho Joe. I feel like I'm protector of important.
Jojo it is. What do you think of the waterfall? Just at Waimea Falls waterfall. It's pretty cool, but they're not letting us swim today because there's been a bit of thunder and lightning. I call BS on that because there's no thunder and lightning right now. So we could probably be in there like swimming with our life jackets on. This sort of place actually looks like there's probably no need for lifeguards whatsoever, but you know, whatever. Once again, we're in the nanny state of the US. So the lens is probably a bit foggy, so you might not be able to see. We just went to the Waimea Falls Tourism Park and super disappointing. We paid our entry fee, it was absolutely pouring down. You'll see the video, we all got our kit off and walked up there in our swimming costumes. And they were like, check with the lifeguard at the top, see if you can swim. So we get up there and it's thunder and lightning and they're like, no, you can't swim, there'll be no more swimming today. And then probably about no more than 10 minutes or so after that, while we're watching the waterfall, we see a whole group of models get into the waterfall water and start doing a photo shoot, and they'd obviously paid to be there. But instead of telling us that it was actually closed because they were doing a photo shoot, they told us it was going to be a flash flood, there was thunder and lightning. It actually started to clear up while we were there. The models were completely in the water, it was just ridiculous. So they were quite happy to take our money while it was wet and they couldn't actually use it. But they weren't happy for us to actually go in there once it was fine and stuff and they could do the models photo shoots. We were so cranky, so cranky. It's a message that actually sends to little girls and little boys, is that money and beauty outranks everything else. It outranks like people that actually have also paid money to actually go and use the tourist facilities. Anyway, I'm just looking at the crazy wave behind the camera right now. You can't see it, but we've just taken a little drive, probably about, I don't know, not more than 5 minutes down the beach. We've passed several super famous surf beaches like log cabins, and now we're at the most famous, I would say, well, close to the most famous, and it's Pipeline. I'll get some video of it I can't believe I'm finally here. I've probably had about 600 bodyboard magazines when I was young, showing everybody from Michael Eccleston to all these other people bodyboarding here, and I'm finally here and looking at it in real life. It's amazing. What do you think of Pipeline, honey? Beautiful. Pretty crazy, isn't it? The waves here are just amazing. I don't know, that must be reef just there. See that?
Close, guys. You are